Have you ever wondered about the hidden gems of Europe? One such gem, nestled in the heart of the Balkans, is Bulgaria. This land, where east meets west, is a treasure trove of diverse landscapes and rich cultures waiting to be explored. Bulgaria is a country where the serene Black Sea coastline stretches far as the eye can see, where the majestic Rila Mountains touch the sky, and where the bustling streets of Sofia pulse with life. It's a land where each region has its own unique story to tell, from the tranquil Danubian plains in the north to the rugged Thracian plains in the south. The Black Sea coast, with its golden sands and crystal-clear waters, is a haven for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts alike. As you move inland, the serene coastline gives way to the undulating Balkan Mountains, a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The mountains are home to the Rila National Park, which boasts the highest peak in the Balkans and the stunning 7 Rila lakes. And then there's Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, a city that seamlessly blends the old and the new. Here, ancient Roman ruins coexist with modern skyscrapers, Orthodox churches sit alongside trendy cafes, and traditional markets rub shoulders with state-of-the-art shopping malls. Sofia is a city that never sleeps, a city that's always on the move, a city that's as vibrant and diverse as the country itself. But Bulgaria is more than just its landscapes and cities. It's a country with a rich history that dates back thousands of years, a country where traditions are kept alive, and a country where hospitality is a way of life. It's a country that's proud of its past, confident in its present, and optimistic about its future. So, if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination that offers a unique blend of nature, history, culture, and adventure, look no further than Bulgaria. Join us on a journey to discover Bulgaria, a hidden gem of Europe that promises to capture your heart. From the tranquil monasteries nestled in verdant mountains to the pristine beaches along its Black Sea coast, Bulgaria's natural beauty is as diverse as it is breathtaking. A land of stunning contrasts, Bulgaria's landscapes offer a world of discovery for the intrepid explorer. Imagine waking up to the symphony of birdsong in the heart of the Rila Mountains, where the air is as crisp as the azure lakes that mirror the sky. Here, you'll find the 7 Rila lakes, a natural spectacle that changes with the seasons. From frozen mirrors in winter to sapphire gems in summer, these lakes are a testament to nature's ever-changing canvas. Venture further, and the landscape morphs into a sea of roses. The Rose Valley, renowned for producing some of the world's finest rose oil, is a sight to behold in full bloom. As dawn breaks, the valley shimmers under a golden hue, the air fragrant with the scent of roses. It's a sensory experience that leaves a lasting impression. But Bulgaria's beauty is not confined to its inland. It extends to its Black Sea coast, where golden sands meet turquoise waters. The beaches of Sozopol are a haven for those seeking solace in the rhythm of the waves. The sun-kissed sands, the salty breeze, the gentle lap of the sea, it's a symphony of nature that lulls you into a state of serenity. Yet, the true beauty of Bulgaria lies not just in its landscapes, but in the stories they tell. It's in the age-old monasteries that stand resolute against the backdrop of verdant mountains, a testament to Bulgaria's enduring spirit. It's in the way the sun sets over the Black Sea, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson, a daily spectacle that never ceases to amaze. Each corner of the country tells a story of a land deeply connected with nature's wonders. From the towering mountains to the vast sea, the blooming valleys to the serene lakes, Bulgaria's natural wonders are a symphony of sights, sounds, and scents that captivate the heart and stir the soul. A journey through Bulgaria is not just a voyage across a land, but an adventure through a living, breathing tapestry of natural beauty. Bulgaria's history is a tapestry of civilizations and cultures. It's a story told through the ancient stones of its landmarks, the whispers of the past echoing through its streets, and the enduring spirit of its people. This is a walk through history, a journey where each step takes us back in time, unveiling the layers of Bulgaria's rich and diverse heritage. Let's start our walk in the ancient city of Plovdiv, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe. Plovdiv is a living museum that showcases the harmonious blend of Thracian, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman influences. The city's heartbeat is its Roman amphitheater, a marvel of architecture that still hosts performances today, just as it did over 2,000 years ago. From Plovdiv, our journey takes us to the northwest corner of the country, to the formidable Belogradchik fortress. This monument, a blend of nature's artistry and human craftsmanship, stands as a guardian over the town. The fortress, carved into the red sandstone rocks, tells tales of valiant battles and the strategic importance of this region in the past. Our walk through history would not be complete without a visit to the Thracian tombs scattered across the country. These tombs, like the one found in Sveshtari, serve as a window into the life and beliefs of the Thracians, an ancient people known for their warrior spirit and love for art. The intricate carvings and murals found in these tombs show the Thracians' remarkable craftsmanship and their deep reverence for the afterlife. As we explore these historical landmarks, we encounter the essence of Bulgaria's past. We see a land that has been shaped by the ebb and flow of different civilizations, each leaving its imprint on the country's cultural fabric. We see a people who, despite the vicissitudes of history, have managed to preserve their heritage with pride and tenacity. Each monument, each stone, each carving is a testament to Bulgaria's rich and diverse heritage. They are silent storytellers, narrating tales of resilience, ingenuity, and enduring spirit. They are the footprints of the past, guiding us on our journey through Bulgaria's fascinating history. What truly makes Bulgaria unique is its people. As we delve deeper into the heart of this country, we find a culture rich in tradition, filled with warmth, and marked by an enduring spirit of resilience. Bulgarian crafts are a vivid expression of the country's soul. From the intricate lacework of kalafur, woven with the precision of generations, to the vibrant pottery of Troyan, each piece is a testament to a culture that values craftsmanship and creativity. These traditional crafts are not just artifacts. They are tangible threads that connect the past to the present. The rhythm of Bulgaria is best felt through its folk dances. The horo, a dance that unites communities in a circle of shared rhythm, is a spectacle of unity and joy. Performed at local festivals and family celebrations, the horo is more than just a dance. It's a vibrant expression of Bulgarian camaraderie and spirit. Festivals in Bulgaria are a riot of color, sound, and taste. From the Rose Festival of Kazanlak, where the air is perfumed with the scent of blooming roses, to the Surva Festival in Pernik, where locals don colorful masks and costumes to ward off evil spirits, each celebration is a unique insight into the Bulgarian way of life. Yet, perhaps nothing speaks to the heart like Bulgarian cuisine. A mouth-watering blend of fresh ingredients and hearty flavors, Bulgarian dishes are a culinary journey in themselves. Taste the flaky layers of banitsa, a traditional pastry filled with cheese or spinach, or savor the robust flavors of kavarma, a slow-cooked meat stew. Each dish, like the country itself, is a delightful surprise waiting to be discovered. Bulgarian culture is a vivid tapestry of traditions, tastes, and tales. It's a culture that welcomes with open arms, celebrates with fervor, and lives with an enduring spirit of joy. Every craft, every dance, every meal, and every festival is a doorway to understanding the soul of Bulgaria. And as you step through this doorway, you'll find a culture that is as warm as it is vibrant, as rich as it is welcoming. Every experience is a doorway to understanding the soul of Bulgaria. Yet Bulgaria is not just a relic of the past. It is a country firmly looking towards the future. A nation that has embraced the rhythm of the modern world while still cherishing its rich historical tapestry. In the cities, you'll find a thriving tech scene, a testament to the innovative spirit of the Bulgarian people. Young entrepreneurs are breathing new life into the cobblestone streets of Sofia and Plovdiv, transforming these ancient cities into buzzing tech hubs. They're leading the charge in industries like software development, cybersecurity, and digital marketing, putting Bulgaria firmly on the map as a global tech powerhouse. But the vibrancy of Bulgaria doesn't stop at the office door. The country's urban culture is a melting pot of creativity and energy. From the street art that adorns the walls of Sofia to the lively music festivals that light up the summer nights, Bulgaria pulses with a youthful, dynamic energy. Cafes and bars spill out onto the streets, filled with laughter and the clink of coffee cups, while art galleries showcase the innovative works of local artists. And yet, amidst this modern hustle and bustle, Bulgaria remains committed to sustainable living. The country is a leader in renewable energy, with solar panels and wind turbines dotting the landscape. Community gardens bloom in the heart of the cities, while green spaces and parks provide a tranquil oasis away from the urban jungle. Bulgaria's commitment to the environment extends to its cuisine as well. Farm-to-table restaurants are flourishing, serving up dishes made with locally sourced organic ingredients. Traditional Bulgarian recipes are given a modern twist, creating a culinary scene that is both innovative and deeply rooted in the country's heritage. In Bulgaria, you'll find a nation that is both forward-thinking and deeply respectful of its past. A place where skyscrapers stand alongside ancient ruins and where the hum of technology is harmonized with the melody of traditional folk music. Bulgaria is a place where tradition and modernity dance in harmony. Bulgaria, with its untouched beauty, rich history, and warm-hearted people, is a destination that promises not just a journey through its lands, but an adventure for the soul. As we've journeyed through this hidden gem of Europe, we have been captivated by the diversity of its natural landscapes, from the towering Rila Mountains to the serene Black Sea coastlines, each revealing a facet of Bulgaria's incredible beauty. We've walked through the pages of history, tracing the footsteps of ancient civilizations that have left their indelible marks on the land. From the ancient city of Plovdiv to the medieval fortresses, every corner of Bulgaria whispers tales of a rich and diverse heritage. We've immersed ourselves in the vibrant culture of Bulgaria, a culture that pulsates with life and resonates with the rhythm of tradition. We've witnessed the joyous dance of the horo, savored the delectable taste of banitsa, and experienced the warmth of Bulgarian hospitality. Each tradition, each celebration, each craft is a thread that weaves the intricate tapestry of Bulgarian life. We've also glimpsed into the future of Bulgaria, a country that embraces the new while honoring the old. From the bustling tech scene to the green energy projects, Bulgaria is a country where the past and the future coexist, creating a unique blend of tradition and modernity. As we journeyed through Bulgaria, we've not only discovered a country, but we've also embarked on an adventure of self-discovery. Each experience has enriched us, each memory has imprinted itself on our hearts, making our journey through Bulgaria a voyage of the soul. So if you're yearning for a journey that's more than just a holiday, a journey that's an experience, an adventure, a discovery, then Bulgaria awaits you. With its breathtaking landscapes, rich history, vibrant culture, and warm-hearted people, Bulgaria promises an unforgettable journey. Discover Bulgaria and let it discover you. Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey? Imagine a land of diverse landscapes, from majestic mountains to serene coastlines, a country rich in history and vibrant in culture. That's Bulgaria, a hidden gem in the heart of Europe. It's time to pack your bags and set off on an adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Delve into the depths of Bulgaria's past, immerse yourself in its rich culture, and marvel at its natural wonders. Experience the warmth of Bulgarian hospitality, the rhythm of its traditional dances, and the irresistible taste of its cuisine. Bulgaria is not just a destination, it's an experience. It's a country that promises to captivate your heart and enrich your soul. And remember, every journey is a story waiting to be told. So why not let your next story be about Bulgaria? Subscribe for more adventures, explore with us, and let the world surprise you.